हम कर रहे हैं बहुत ही खट्टी मीठी चटपटी बातें यहाँ पर लुबना जी और सलीम जी के साथ हम आप पहुँचे हैं. We are in the Matrix Sound Labs actually right now, and this is such a gorgeous facility. हमने सुना है about redevelopment. This is a play that is coming to the Matrix Club this month, and there's going to be a lot of good stuff happening along with the play, which is, there's going to be dinner pre-play, and then after the play also there is going to be a meet and greet with the star and the director. आपको ये चीज़ें मिस नहीं करनी है, और इसकी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कोर्स मैट्रिक्स क्लब के पेज पर है, देसी जंक्शन के पेज पर है, तो ये सब आपको मिस नहीं करना है. तो हम सुनते हैं अब लुबना जी से कि व्हाट इज योर पर्सपेक्टिव एंड हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस of this play redevelopment, of course, and just the whole idea that you have brought this whole production here, in Chicago, and हमारी audience क्या expect कर सकती है from all of this?
Well, let me begin by saying that this character that I play, Rani Bai, it is a very you see, जैसे everybody was saying कि it's like like by those unknown faces who work around us, who we just take the names of the professions that they are. We do not even know them by their original names, and the way they work for us. This workforce is always unheard of. They go unheard. Their pleas, their notions, their way of life, everything. So we just try to focus a little on that. कि उनसे किसी ने पूछा है कि उन्हें किस तरह से जीना है, या उन पर जिंदगी लाद दी जाती है just because they belong to, as you said, you are from Mumbai, and you can really relate, and
Yes.
I'm sure everybody would be relating to this. When there is a redevelopment happening in a city and happening, you look wherever you're looking at right now in Mumbai or everywhere in there's something happening in the name of redevelopment. There is so much noise, there's so much of concrete, and there's so much of labor, there's so much work, there's इतनी धूल है, और सब कुछ साथ में हो रहा है. तो कमिंग बैक टू रानी बाई एंड रीडेवलपमेंट, क्या उनसे ये पूछा जाता है कि उन्हें किस तरह की ज़िंदगी चाहिए, या फिर ये वही लोग हैं जो यू जस्ट एक आपके लिए काम करते हैं और अपने घर चले जाते हैं? उनकी भी अपनी ज़िंदगियां हैं, उनका भी अपना एक वैल्यू सिस्टम है, उनका भी अपना एक उनके भी एंग्स्ट्स हैं, उनके भी ख्वाब हैं, क्योंकि उनके भी बच्चे बड़े हो रहे हैं. उनको भी वो जगह क्या ज़रूरी है देना जो हम सिर्फ पेपर पे लिख देते हैं गवर्नमेंट के कुछ उसूलों से, या कुछ रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन से, या स्ट्रैटेजीज से. Is it not time to ask? For me, this character was very interesting also because one, as I said, these are very unsaid things we never really ponder upon. And a long time back, I had seen these characters. I mean, they're always there around us.
Yes.
But as an actor, I felt very connected
Wow.
to some of the things that were happening around me. And I said, this is one story that has to be told.
Wow.
It has to be told, it has to come out. And as in our own way, and a very subtle, and not exactly, I wouldn't call it satirical, but a slice of life, again, just like Gudamba. It starts, it triggers us to think about humans.
Wow.
And that's the human side of this play. So redevelopment, and when we जब सलीम ने ये नाम रखा redevelopment, इसका मतलब सिर्फ वो redevelopment नहीं है जो हमें दिखाई दे रहा है आसपास. वो redevelopment है जो हम अंदर से महसूस करना चाहते हैं, या उससे हम आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि जिंदगी तो आगे बढ़ती है.
बिल्कुल.
तो क्या हम वहीं पर उसी सतह पर रहेंगे, या हम आगे बढ़ेंगे?
And it's also very relatable to people living here in the sense that you may be having a co-relative of the same
Definitely,
issue,
Exactly.
same
definitely.
issue,
Exactly.
Definitely.
same
So
lifestyle,
it
and
is it is a
it's
it
a
has a
universal
very
in that sense.
universal issue. It's always, we're talking about stratas of
Yes.
society.
Yes.
We're not talking about just Mumbai or just
Yes.
as Salim said, B cities, C cities. It's there everywhere
Everywhere.
through the world.
बिल्कुल.
You open the newspaper or you read the news, there is something with this particular strata, with the जो ऊंच नीच है,
बिल्कुल.
वो सब जगह है.
बिल्कुल.
तो वो डेफिनेटली रिलेटेबल होने वाला है सबके लिए.
तो यहाँ पर जैसे यूएस में लाइक यू टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्ट्रैटास ऑफ सोसाइटी, यहाँ पर भी ऑफ कोर्स होता है एक सेक्शन 8 हाउसिंग होता है जहाँ पे
हाँ.
लोगों को सेटल कर दिया जाता है. वहाँ पर जो दूसरे स्ट्राटा के लोग हैं उसके आसपास रहना पसंद नहीं करते. इट्स जस्ट सिमिलर, वेरी सिमिलर टू व्हाट वी सी हियर आल्सो. फिर जो लेबर करने के लिए
Yes.
लोग मिडिल ईस्ट कंट्रीज में मूव हो जाते
I know.
हैं. इट्स द सेम थिंग. तो आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू बी सच अ रिलेटेबल स्टोरी फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. और listening from the perspective of the person that's being uprooted, from the person that is being, whose whole life is being kind of shuffled around.
Yeah.
It's going to be so interesting.
But it's not, it's like, it's such a somber subject if you look at it, such a serious matter. But let me tell you, it's nothing like that in redevelopment.
That's great to hear.
It's an interesting point of view.
Yes.
And why we talk about this is because कुछ बातें कभी कभी सवाल उठा देती हैं, और वो सवाल को फेस करना बहुत जरूरी होता है.
बिल्कुल.
So it's just that much.
बिल्कुल. तो आपने कहा कि you have been across, coming around the people that are kind of living a life like that. Obviously, अपने घर में help होंगी. Whoever comes, they are usually the people that have been moved from their areas. So is that where, like, were you the catalyst to be like, I want a story for this?
No, I am, as an actor, not just an actor, I love talking. It's something just, तुम कितनी बात करती हो, तुम कितनी बात करती हो, because, but I love understanding a lot of things in life, and I can talk to anybody, even a stranger for so there are some stories which linger on, till you just moved on from there, but yet they linger on. So a few of these hit me very very, and this happened like quite a few years back, around like you say 15 years back or something. And then अब जब हम लोग नया कुछ, हमने कहा हम कुछ नया करते हैं, तो Salim said, I had done a small little one act with this particular character, and I said we should do something like this.
Wow.
And then we started researching, we started working, and why is it so relatable is because it's whatever is in the play is all real life stories. And it's just not that. Anybody who knows about Mumbai, they we experienced the deluge, and then there was this also the whole thing that COVID happened, and little things
Yes.
and nuances of life,
Yes.
and how life moves on. And little things that happen, things that affect us, things that we are not aware of at that point in time.
Yeah.
But then when we reflect back and we think, हाँ ये तो कुछ हुआ था हमारी
Yeah.
जिंदगी में.
wow, it's really so fascinating. मुझे ये बड़ा fascinating लगता है. Each time I hear both of you speak, it's really fascinating to see your vision, to just learn from the way you think, because हम नहीं सोचते ऐसे, इस तरह से कभी दिमाग चलता भी नहीं है. So Gudamba was something so exciting and something so amazing, जहाँ पर आपने पूरा स्टेज इतनी देर तक होल्ड किया हुआ था. And I'm really not, this is not because you're sitting here in front of me. Literally सबने कहा कि ये कब खत्म हो गया, खत्म कैसे हो गया, हमको समझ ही नहीं आया कि टाइम कहाँ चला गया. तो जब रीडेवलपमेंट पे हम देखेंगे आपको स्टेज पर, वहाँ पर आपने कुछ 17 या 18 कैरेक्टर्स प्ले किए थे विद इन दैट शॉर्ट स्पैन. गाइज, आई मीन इट इज कमेंडेबल. आई डोंट नो हाउ शी डज इट, बट तो 17 और 18 डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स, डिफरेंट चीज़ें आपने की थी. व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी ऑन स्टेज इन रीडेवलपमेंट?
I think again it will be a variety of characters, of course,
Yes.
and a different language.
Oh,
It will
okay.
be a very Mumbai.
It's nothing to do with Gudamba.
It's a
It's
diametrically
something
opposite of what was there in
completely
Gudamba.
different.
Amazing.
So it's a new flavor, it's a new ethos, it's a new lifestyle.
Fascinating.
It's
So
very different.
so and the reason we did it was that it had to be that different,
Yes.
because otherwise there was no point in doing it.
True.
And
So-
there comes the actors challenge also.
Yes.
So,
that was
we
the fun.
decided that it has to be something radically different than what we did in
Wow.
Kadamba. And these were the characters and issues we were dealing with. So it all evolved into what
Sure.
it is. And interestingly, here would be the second show of the play.
We've just opened it.
We opened it in Prayagraj last month, and now this is the second show which is going to happen on 20th
So
of
the first show in the US.
first show in the
Yes.
Oh my goodness. So this is redevelopment ka
Premier
sabse
show.
pehla show in the US at the Matrix Club in the theater here, and you cannot miss it. Especially the people that watched Gudamba the other day. Like she said, it's diametrically opposite of what you already experienced. And the ones that missed Gudamba, which I got lots of messages, this is your chance. This is your chance to come see her in action, you know, see the director's vision on stage, see how the writer put everything together. I mean, and what better place than the Matrix Club in Naperville?
Yes.
क्या कहना चाहते हो? How was your how
Look,
was the theater and how
theater
was
is
the,
just
you know?
just made for a performance like this.
Yes.
It's a blessing.
Because it's cozy, it's compact, and you have a direct relationship with the audience, which is not available in many theaters.
Best state of the art.
So you have the facilities, you
and
have the,
everything.
and to top it all, the kind of audience,
Yes.
True.
the responsive audience who were kind of in Gulamba. What was remarkable was that right from the first dialogue till the end, there was a constant reaction within the audience
Amazing.
throughout the performance. Now that is something very rare,
Yes.
and I'm sure this time also, whosoever is going to come would be in for an experience, because this theater ultimately is the only medium left where you are expected to get out of your homes and come out and see a performance in a given space.
You're absolutely right. Yes, yes. And that is an experience in itself, you know. Everything has become so easy and everything
Yes.
is at your fingertips these days.
Matches
People-
you can watch at home.
Yes. People don't know though the experience of people have forgotten. Let's
Yes.
say they've forgotten क्योंकि ये चीजें सारी अभी इतनी available हो गई है. We just don't remember that feeling of being there and you know जो तार touch होते हैं while you watch somebody
Yeah,
live.
it was very interesting because one of the audience, in Gudamba, and I must say this in two sentences. This person came and he said that मैं वेट कर रहा था, मेरा अटेंशन स्पैन बहुत छोटा है, तो मैं वेट कर रहा था कि मैं कब अपना मोबाइल उठाऊंगा और करूंगा, and believe me ma'am, I couldn't do it.
Yes.
So I said okay, चलो ठीक है, somewhere we are doing something right.
That's a great compliment in this day and age because our attention span is 30 seconds these days. Reels are 30 seconds, right?
Exactly.
So,
this
wow.
so theater and live theater, there's nothing in this
And
world
that-
as an
let me tell
experience
you,
of a live
nothing
theater.
like a shared experience
Yeah.
in a live situation.
Yeah.
so जब redevelopment का show होगा यहाँ पर हाउसफुल होगा because you guys are going to buy your tickets very quickly and it's not a very large theater, so you guys need to get on getting those tickets. But what I wanted to say is कि हमने बात करी थी कि there will be dinner served before the performance, and after the performance will the audience have a chance to interact with you?
They won't-
Anytime, every time,
You're
anytime.
most
We're available. We're just here for you.
So ये चीजें again मुंबई से है हम लोग, ये चीजें नहीं मिलती वहाँ पर करने, you know, where I could not be doing this with her like this, or you know, of course even she wouldn't have the availability or the time, or you know, it's not possible, which in a place like here in Chicago, and it's so cozy, it's so nice. आप सब आओगे, even after the play you'll be able to interact with her. We'll give her a little break and then we can interact with her.
No,
I'm
for
just
an
looking
actor, you know,
forward.
it's always it's not just an interaction. It's a lot that we take away.
Yes.
You know, it's always a shared energy. So to understand the audience's reaction, preps us, to perform even better and to understand where we are, moving on. So with redevelopment and the second show and the first, opening of the show in the US, we really need to, get your feedbacks. So
Yes. So for that, we all have to be here at the Matrix Club on the 20th of July, and we all have to watch her together on stage, and just have a blast. I think it's gonna be a laugh riot. I think we are all gonna take something away from this, and हम सब कुछ ना कुछ चीजें सोचने पर मजबूर हो जाएंगे. So, any parting comments for our audience?
power of theatre.
So please come and watch the show.
20th. 20th, that's next Sunday at the Matrix Club. I believe it's at 7 p.m.
6:30 we will start.
We start at 6:30.
Yes, the doors will open, and like we said, you'll be treated very well over here. Everybody's always treated very, very well at the Matrix Club. So if you haven't been to the Matrix Club, take this chance to do it.
Atithi Devo Bhava.